Hi, welcome to Level Talk Coming In. I'm Russ. As usual, we've got Cy working his magic behind the camera. Today we're going to talk to you about the snow foam cannon from Karcher. Holds about 0.6 of a litre. Has a flow rate adjuster on the top. We've got it filled with ultra foam cleaner from Kärcher itself. We're not affiliated, it's just what we like to use. The first part of the demonstration is going to be lowest flow rate on the front of the car, medium flow rate on the central portion of the car, and highest flow rate on the back section of the car. Let's get into the demo. Okay, here we go on minimum setting. Let's go for medium. Let's go for maximum setting. As you just saw, the low flow rate doesn't cut it. The medium flow rate's okay if you want to save product, but I like to err on the side of caution to protect my paintwork, so I use the high flow rate. What we're going to show you now is the whole car being done in high flow rate, see how long it takes, and we'll also then give you an idea as to how much product that used. How long was that, Si?
1 minute 15.
Excellent. Okay, as you can see from the canister, it's used virtually all of the liquid. Let's go on to the next part of the video. Okay, as you can see, the car's nice and clean. Snow foam's done its job, it's protected the paintwork. If that's been of use to you, give us a thumbs up. Just as a heads up, we've got 3 videos coming out shortly. One of which is the Karcher K2 for where it'll clean your alloy wheels on its own without any product. The others are going to be Demon Shine for quick finish polish on your car, and also Auto Gleam's high resin polish. Keep an eye out for those. If you're interested, have a great day.